Debt feels like drowning. You pay and pay, but the number barely moves. The interest grows faster than your paycheck. And every month you ask, am I going to live like this forever? No, you're not. Because getting out of debt is way simpler than you've been told. Let's break it down. No shame, no fluff. 1. Debt isn't a money problem. It's a system problem. Here's the trap. You get a credit card. You use it. You can't pay the full balance. Interest adds up. You make minimum payments. Nothing changes. You get another card. Repeat. You're not bad with money. You're stuck in a system designed to profit from your confusion. The good news, you can break the system, and you don't need a six-figure income to do it. 2. Meet the enemy? Interest. If you borrow $1,000 with 20% interest and you pay the minimum, it could take 10 years to pay off. You'll pay double what you borrowed. That's not help. That's a trap. Banks profit when you stay in debt. Your job? Get out of it fast. 3. Step 1. List it all. Grab a sheet of paper or a screen. Doesn't matter, write down who you owe, how much, the interest rate, the minimum payment. It's scary, but you can't fix what you won't face. This is your enemy map. Now, let's plan your escape. 4. 2 proven strategies. Method 1. Snowball. List debts from smallest to largest. Pay minimums on all, but attack the smallest one hard. Once it's gone, use that money to attack the next. It's fast. Motivating, emotionally rewarding. Method 2. Avalanche. List debts from highest interest to lowest. Pay minimums on all, but attack the highest interest first. This saves the most money in the long run. Use either. Doesn't matter. What matters is you pick one and go. 5. Your budget equals your weapon. If your money disappears before the month ends, you're not budgeting. You're guessing. Use the 50-30-20 rule, or whatever works. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% debt plus saving. Every dollar gets a job. No freeloaders, no surprises. Want to go faster? Cut wants temporarily. Boost debt payments. Buy freedom first. Fun comes after. 6. Stop digging the hole. While you're getting out of debt, no new debt. Cut the card. Freeze it. Stop using credit like cash. It's not cash. It's a loan with a smiley face. And those 0% deals? They're traps too. You don't fix a hole by digging a new one. 7. Make extra money. Even a little helps. You don't need a second job. You need a second income stream. Sell stuff, freelance, tutor, walk dogs. Even $200 extra a month can destroy thousands in debt faster than you think. Put every extra dollar toward the debt. Don't touch it. Don't treat yourself. Future you is begging you to stay focused. 8. Celebrate wins, not spending. You paid off a card? Amazing. Brag about it. You canceled a subscription? That's a win. You made your first extra payment? Victory. The key to escaping debt isn't speed, it's momentum. Keep going. Don't stop. Even slow progress is still progress. Final. Debt-free isn't a dream. It's a decision. You don't need a finance degree or 6 figures or a miracle. You just need a plan, a system, consistency, time. You've been tricked into thinking it's hard. But winning this game is easy, actually.